Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday I mentioned the worst-case scenario, and sadly it has played out. After the European Central Bank announced a rate cut, Bitcoin initially reacted bullish, jumping from around 105,000 to 105.9 thousand, reaching a key yellow resistance zone. But this level rejected the price with force. The rejection at 105.9K caused a sharp drop that did not hold at the 104,300 support level. This was the first major warning. Once that broke, it became likely that the short liquidation pocket between 103.5K and 103.8K would be next. Breaking through that pocket also broke the neckline of the previous double bottom structure. That opened the gates to further downside, and Bitcoin dropped all the way to the next horizontal support at 101.5 thousand, even touching the blue line at 100.8 thousand. At 100.8K, Bitcoin found ground. It bounced back one level higher and is now trading above the 101.9K mark, currently hovering near the yellow horizontal resistance of 101.5K. Zooming out to the 3-day liquidation heat map, it's clear that all short and medium-term long leverage got wiped in the past 24 hours. Total liquidations reached $982.99 million, with $891.76 million from longs and $91.24 million from shorts. If we zoom into the 1-day liquidation heat map, the key takeaway is that the hottest remaining zone sits above us, still around 105,000. So what has changed since Bitcoin tapped 105.9K earlier? Nothing. No bearish news. Fundamentals remain the same. That's why my best case scenario now would be a sharp V-shaped recovery. Ideally, the price climbs back above 103.5 thousand, pushing into 105,000 to squeeze out over-leveraged late entry shorts. I will continue updating you daily, and as always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for bonuses and community invites. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.